If anything in life is constant, it's change. Bryce Law. We cannot conceal ourselves from it. We cannot escape it. We cannot ignore it. Ladies and gentlemen, we need to cultivate the ability today to navigate and tolerate change. Yes, I believe, in reality, the world has never stopped changing. We are just not paying attention. Change often has a dramatic effect on our lives. These changes, whether they seem good or bad at the time, will teach you something new. By understanding change, we gain more knowledge. By adapting to cultural change, we strengthen ourselves. And by keeping up to speed with ever-changing technology, we progress to a better future. I took some time to research the meaning of change. It's the process of replacing something old with something new or different. That's right. Out with the old and in with the new has never been more relevant than right now. What does change mean to you? Firstly, to me, it's about understanding that sometimes good things fall apart so better things can fall together. On the webpage www.cleverism.com, Trey Anastasio writes in the article, Understanding Change, published June 2020. Through understanding change, we can change the changeable, accept the unchangeable, and remove ourselves from the unacceptable. Marie Curie once quoted that, Nothing in life is to be feared, it is only to be understood. Now is the time to understand more so that we may fear less. Sometimes you just need to go outside and blow away the cobwebs. Secondly, cultural change develops over time and it strengthens as practices and ideas are exchanged from person to person. On the webpage smartminds.com, in the article, The Importance of Cultural Transformation, Andy Law wrote, Sometimes cultural change can be painful, but it's all part of the process of exploration and discovery. Ek stem 100% saam met Andy. Individue moet aangemoedig word om te besin oor die pynlike proses van kultuurverandering. As poestertjie is immers 'n bewys dat 'n nuwe paar skoene jou lewe kan verander. Tensy jy bereid is om iets waardevols prys te gee, sal jy nooit werklik kan verander nie, want jy sal vir altyd beheer word deur die dinge wat jy nie kan prysgee nie. Vandag se tegnologie vorm môre se wêreld. Op die webblad www.technofuture skryf Michael Steinfeld in die artikel, 'n mens moet kan vlieg. Die grootste gevaar in tye van onstuimigheid, dames en here, is om met gister se logika op te tree. Ek stem saam. Ons verander nie omdat ons dit begeer nie. Dis die dryfkrag van binne. Sommige sê selfs, die maatstaf van intelligensie lê in die vermoë om te verander. Tegnologiese veranderinge is onvermydelik, want tegnologie loop teen 'n asemrowende pas en kan nie anders as om nuwe wiele te skep, soos dit die ou wiele verdryf nie. Nuwe ontkunde, nuwe probleme, nuwe uitdagings, maar ook hoë beloning. Ek glo, ons moet voortgaan om te streef na verandering. Die reis stop nie hier nie. Daar sal meer veranderinge wees om te verstaan. Meer kulture en tegnologiese veranderinge moet verduur word. Verandering is net die wegspringblok, dames en here. Dis waarheen ons van hier af gaan wat saak maak. Die toekoms behoort immers nie aan die swaksinniges nie. Dit behoort aan die heldhaftiges, waarvoor ander nie kan sien nie. Ons moet voortgaan om veranderinge na te jaag, want dit trek ons voort na 'n beter toekoms.